Hi, this is the final video of the export dashboard. In this video, I will be covering the account tab and the manage tab. So coming to the account section, there are three options here. First is the profile info. This section gives you the details about the username that you have logged in from, your first name, last name, and your contact details. In the next tab, which is the settings tab, you will be able to see your profile info, as in the email address or your login details, your email address, password, and your notification preferences. What are these various sources of notifications that you would like to receive as an expert, and if in case you want to delete your account, you can delete it from here. Third option is of subscriptions. So at times admins can add an expert subscription for the experts to enroll into. In case these subscriptions are mandatory from the admin's end, the expert may have to mandatorily subscribe to a subscription plan in order to give any services on the platform. So in case so let's suppose the admin has made it mandatory for the experts to subscribe to a plan. So until and unless I subscribe to any of these plans, I will not be able to proceed ahead and give any sort of services on the platform, whether it is creating a listing or creating a session or creating a course. So once you click on subscribe, you will be prompted to add your card, or the various payment methods will pop up here. You can choose the payment method that is most suitable, and hence that's how you will be able to make the payment. Next we have the manage section, through which the expert can choose the preferred language. So this drop down will contain all the languages that have been added by the admin in the admin dashboard. Similarly, you can also choose your work currency. These all currencies have been configured by the admin through backend, and this is the list from which you can choose your work currency. Next, we have working hours. It is very important for an expert to set his working hours, as these working hours will decide, or according to these working hours only, the available slots of the expert will be visible to the users for booking. So I select my time zone as an expert, and these are the work timings that I have set for the weekday. In case I'm not available on any of the days, I can just switch the toggle off, and my slots will not be seen by the users on Wednesday. That's about working hours. Next we have Zoom and daily. In case I do not want to go ahead with the standard calling software that is already there on Panther, I can choose to have Zoom or daily, any of the two, or I can have both as well, for the options to get in touch with my users or to conduct consultation with my users. Next we have payouts. In the payout section, I will be able to see all the payouts that I have received from the admin for the consultations I have given so far as an expert. So these are the payouts, as you can see. To receive payout, I need to mandatorily add an account, or add my account details for the admin to automatically send the payouts to me in my bank account. Suppose I configure Stripe. Once I click on Stripe and click on continue, I will be prompted to add the account details. So all these payouts will be automatically credited to my account of Stripe. Next we have packages. As an expert, I can choose, or I have the option to create a package. So the package is more of bundling some appointments, or creating a group of appointments, so that it is easier, or it is cost effective for the users to buy a package, rather than coming to me for single consultations and buying single consultation every time. So I can create a package, say test package for appointments is the listing I want to associate the package to. Number of appointments would be 10. Uh, the appointment time duration would be 15 minutes. Package price is $1,000, and I can have the discounted price as $900, and simply click on save. So once I save it, on the user end, they will be able to see a package for my consultations, wherein the package would include 10 10 of my appointments for a discounted price of $900, wherein the actual price for these appointments were $1,000. So it is very cost effective for the users, and it is a good way for the experts to persuade his users uh, to buy packages rather than going in for single bookings. Uh, in the package subscriber tab, you will be able to see the users who have subscribed to any of your packages. You have the package name, their user's email, his name, purchase date, and the amount for which the package was purchased. Lastly, we have promo codes. As an expert, I have the option to create promo codes uh, to promote my listing or to promote my service. All I have to do is add promotion, and there will be several fields that I would need to fill in to create a promo code. Once this is added, users will have the option to apply this promo code at the time of checkout. So that is all, and that completes the complete walkthrough of the expert dashboard. I will be putting the video links of part 1 and part 2 in the description box of this video. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much.